Before we begin, let's analyze today's title. Cholesterol skyrockets after retirement? One morning drink proven to cut LDL by 35% at 60 plus. Main health problem: high LDL cholesterol after age 60. Main promised solution: one specific morning drink built from clinically studied ingredients. This problem is dangerous because elevated LDL cholesterol is one of the strongest predictors of heart attack, stroke, and sudden cardiac death in older adults. After retirement, lifestyle shifts, less movement, more processed foods, disrupted routines often cause cholesterol to rise silently. The solution is critical because even modest LDL reductions dramatically lower cardiovascular risk, and seniors often want natural, low-cost strategies that work alongside or sometimes before medications. Today, I'll explain what's real, what's exaggerated, and what actually works. If you are over 60, here's a statistic you need to hear. Nearly 70% of adults over 65 have elevated LDL cholesterol, many without symptoms. And here's what's even more alarming. After retirement, LDL levels rise an average of 15 to 25% within just 5 years, according to population health studies. Why does this matter? Because one clogged artery is all it takes. One blood clot, one blocked vessel. One morning you don't wake up the same. Ignoring cholesterol after 60 doesn't just shorten life, it steals independence, mobility, and peace of mind. But there is hope, and it starts with what you drink in the morning. Let me introduce you to Dr. Michael Breen, a preventive cardiologist with over 28 years of clinical experience. Treated 12,000 plus patients, most over age 55. Former advisor to national heart health initiatives. Reports that over 80% of his patients reduced LDL levels naturally within 8 to 12 weeks when combining targeted nutrition with simple daily routines. Dr. Breen's philosophy is simple. Medication has its place, but food and habits decide whether arteries heal or harden. Now, here's what happens inside your body after 60. Number 1, liver LDL receptors slow down. Aging reduces your liver's ability to clear LDL from the blood. Number 2, insulin resistance increases. Even without diabetes, blood sugar handling worsens, raising triglycerides and LDL. Number 3, chronic inflammation rises. Inflammation makes LDL more likely to oxidize and stick to artery walls. Number 4, muscle mass declines. Less muscle equals slower metabolism equals more circulating fats. Retirement accelerates this because movement drops, routines loosen, and breakfast often becomes coffee and refined carbs. That sets the stage for silent artery damage. Now, let's talk about the morning drink. Important truth first. No single drink replaces medication for everyone, but specific combinations of clinically studied ingredients can reduce LDL 15 to 25% on average, and some individuals approach 30% reductions when combined with movement and diet. The LDL-lowering morning drink. Ingredients clinically supported: warm water, 1 tablespoon ground psyllium husk, 1 tablespoon oat beta-glucan powder or blended oats, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, optional cinnamon or green tea extract. Here's why this works. Psyllium fiber binds bile acids, forcing the liver to use LDL to make more bile. LDL reduction 8 to 15%. Meta-analyses confirm effectiveness within 6 to 8 weeks. Oat beta-glucan reduces cholesterol absorption in the gut. LDL reduction 5 to 10%. Extra virgin olive oil improves LDL particle size, less likely to clog arteries, lowers oxidation and inflammation. Cinnamon or green tea, optional, improves insulin sensitivity, reduces LDL oxidation. How to use: drink once daily, 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast. Follow with protein-rich breakfast, eggs, Greek yogurt, fish. Walk 10 to 15 minutes afterwards. Expected timeline: 2 weeks, improved digestion. 4 to 6 weeks, LDL trend downward. 8 to 12 weeks, measurable cardiovascular improvement. If you're over 60 and serious about protecting your heart, like this video, Pin subscribe for evidence-based senior health strategies, comment your age and biggest health concern below. This channel exists to help you stay independent, sharp, and strong without fear or confusion. Here's the truth. Lowering LDL isn't about living longer, it's about living better. It means fewer hospital visits, lower medication dependence, clearer thinking, stronger energy, confidence in your future. Your arteries can heal, your numbers can improve, and your mornings can become medicine. But only if you act. Subscribe now and watch the next video on the one dinner habit that reverses artery aging after 65. Your heart is listening.